Hey folks, it's just me. I decided to have some fun here. Trying to see if I can use my cable remote with my laptop here, or my desktop computer in Linux. Now, it's actually trying to get this remote fixed, which this one came with my Hotpodge HVR 1250 TV tuner. It's model 1196, which internally is a CX23885 chip from Connexent. So Linux doesn't work with this with that infrared circuit that's built into my TV tuner at all. So I had to decided to make a circuit, an infrared circuit that sends stuff either through stereo or what have you. But in my case, my motherboard on my desktop doesn't have a serial port. It has a header, there's no port. And so I found a circuit which basically sends the infrared signal to a microphone jack. So this is what I came up with. So this is gonna get in. So that is a 38 kilohertz infrared receiver from Radio Shack. It ran me $4 US, and in order to stabilize the signal, I had to send the signal. I had to go to that's the data, from ground to data, and that diode kind of stabilizes the signal. Now, power is provided by just a Type A USB cable. See, that's just Type A. There we go. So you have the red wire on the right side here. That's 5 volts positive. The middle is ground, and the left one is the data. Okay, it's a data wire. Now, so I got ground from both the USB cable and from these 1/8 inch stereo or 3.5 millimeter audio cable. The ground for both of these guys is going to the center wire. Now the data wire, this red one, is going back through here. And that's my microphone jack on my Toshiba satellite C65S5082 laptop. So, in both Linux and Windows, have to use LIRC and make sure you have the appropriate audio plug-in enabled or kernel module. So this is Windows 8, but it also runs fine in Windows 7, by the way. So I got this guy here, and had to create and configure this remote. So that's the first part. Now, so it's plugged in. Let's see if this works. There we go. See, it's receiving the signal. Now, let me go and turn this up so you can get an idea what it sounds like. There we go. Now, see, you got this remote. See? Can I? There you go. See? And I also programmed this, my cable box remote, to do the same thing. I just got it programmed via the aux channel here. Okay? So, see? Now, so when I receive the first part, okay, then the second part is used often called event ghost, which is this guy. Here, see? So let me clear out the log. There we go. So, in order to get this thing to work, I had to insert the LIRC client, and I wanted to use it with Windows Media Center, so that's the MCE client. Then this is the pretty painstaking part. I had to enter all these events, and I had to assign that's the action, and that's the event, and that is a macro. So if you watch the screen, for example, the down arrow. So if you watch, see, it tells you what it receives it. Then I got the power set up to turn on Windows Media Center. Watch this. See this button here? And there you go. And that's my laptop. So I can go well, I don't have my microphone jack turned on. So let me quit out of it. Control F4, or now let's just turn off the sound here. So it's gonna go. There you go. Make my ascent and hide a window. Okay, now. So now I can go hit that and then power. There you go. See? And yeah, it's quite nice. I'm getting a little bit off topic here, but has anyone found a way to enable subtitles on the Netflix plugin for Windows Media Center? I don't think Microsoft has fixed that yet. So, but see, it works. I can go hit exit. There you go. See, it's quite nice. Okay. Oh. I'm watching the football game, and it looks like K-State is about to score again. Let's see what happens. Touchdown K-State. 20-17. Wow. That's one hell of a game. Okay, I'm getting off on a tangent. Okay, so I got working remote with this circuit, and it's not that bad looking. It kind of looks like a diamond or something. Okay, I guess that's our show, folks.